My friend Paul Little has arrived to install a motorized lift called the VersaLift that will help move some of the garage clutter up into the ample attic space for storage. Paul, the joists are running back this way, so from the information that you sent me, I guess the VersaLift will go right in like this.
Yeah, we try to run it in between or long ways with the rafters, so that we only have to cut out one, which really cuts down on structurally.
Oh, sure, yeah, that makes it real easy. Yeah. Well, I guess we'll get up in the attic and take a look at it. Have you installed a few of these before?
About 700 of them.
Well, Paul, like you saw from the pictures, it's all completely decked right in here, so...
Yeah, that's great.
I guess you just kind of want it kind of in the center, huh?
Yeah, we want to put it in a spot where they can use it from both sides.
Right.
That's the ideal spot. There's nothing in the way. They're not running into braces like this or worried about falling through the attic ladder.
Right. Meanwhile, Paul has made some progress. Man, Paul, looks like you already got this thing pretty much assembled, huh?
Almost done. That's the last bolt right there. We're ready to go.
That's not too bad at all. So what's next?
We're ready to cut the hole.
Oh, really? All right.
Yeah, as soon as that's done, we can get the lift installed.
So you said that just having to remove and block out just one of the ceiling joist, and so we hit it lucky that the spacing's just right, huh?
It's perfect, yes. On this particular model, we want it to be 22.5 on the insides, and from a little preliminary measurement, we are exactly 22.5.
That's some good luck.
Yeah, that's great luck.
Okay. So you're going to try to center it in this space, or what are you going to try to do?
Well, I think what we're going to do is we're actually going to push it to one side so that the customer has plenty of room to walk around the end. They'll be able to store on that side and or pull off of each side, and they'll still have plenty of room over here.
Perfect. After marking the dimensions of the opening, we cut out the outline and remove the plywood decking, followed by the joist in the middle of the space. Then we add a piece of 2x12 on each end of the opening so we can support the ends of the joist that was cut. Finally, Paul cuts out the drywall separating us from the garage below, and the lift is ready for installation. All right, so we just put it right in place, son.
Yep, right over the hole.
Lag bolts to hold it down.
Right over the hole, 8 lag bolts, and it's ready to drop the wire.
So you already have your electrical outlet in place, so heck, we're getting close on this thing.
Not too far.
And you know, it makes so much sense if you think about it, how you're able to take things from here, put it on the lift, and have it go right down into the garage, or, of course, bring things right back up. That's a lot safer than trying to lug big boxes up and down a set of stairs. Back in the attic, once the frame is secure, we drop the cables down into the garage, where we complete the assembly of the basket and attach the cables that will fit it. Paul, I love this thing. Let me give it a try there and see if this thing will work for me. No, here's who should give it a try. Okay, here's your remote control.
Okay.
Push the button. Let's see what happens. I just love that. You'll be able to put all kinds of things on there, bring them up and down. We also put a railing around the staircase there to keep it safe when you're going up and down. And you can put just about anything on here except little boys. No little boys or girls can ride on this, okay? And finally, we're getting some of the clutter up to the attic with the help of the VersaLift. And August's little girl, Kippen, has taken over from Chelsea as the operator. Okay, Kippen. It's amazing how easy it is to get bulky, even heavy items up to the attic with this thing. And once they're there, it's simple to take them off the lift and stack them away on the new shelves.